As you can see, it's actually generating our Microsoft Rewards points as we ordered for absolutely free. What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited Microsoft Reward points absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or anything you can imagine. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, and it works perfectly for both devices. So guys, before we begin with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So let's go to settings and let's search for a battery, and then we will turn off our battery saver to off, and then we will go to our Microsoft Rewards. And guys, we will see how many points we currently have. As you can see, we have this amount of points, and we will try to get it up to 1 million. So we will have to copy our name, or we will have to copy our email. So I will copy my email because it's higher chance to get found with email. So we will go to this website. It's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily, guys, appsneak.com. And then we will find Microsoft. There we go. And we will enter our Microsoft email or ID, I mean your name. You can click there, as you can see. So yeah. So guys, we will enter our email or name and click continue. So allow it up to 5 seconds to find your account. As you can see, user found. It's really important. So guys, second step is to select our reward points amount. I will select maximum and click continue. So allow it up to 15 seconds to this API connect to Microsoft servers. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with this kind of tutorials. So guys, as you can see, we got redirected into this page, and we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts, and we will want just to click I'm not a robot. And guys, after this we will get redirected into last step, and it's the manual verification. So guys, we will have to download 2 free apps, or we will have to do 2 simple questionnaires like this, and we will have to enter our real info, or we will have to follow these steps. So what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and Dice Dreams because I think it will be fun, and it will take about 2 minutes to complete these 2 tasks. So basically I will click free, and I will download this game, and I will install it and complete level 9. So click go, and it will start downloading it from Google Play or App Store if you're using your iOS devices. So guys, after this I will download Dice Dreams, and I will install it, then run it and restore Kingdom 5 to unlock. So click go, and that's what will I do now, guys. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen, and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Guys, I have just completed this and this task, and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, as you can see. So I'm so excited, and I'm waiting for about 1 minute, and it should redirect us every second. So let's wait together. Nice, guys. Nice. As you can see, we got verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our account connected, and our rewards sent, reward points sent. Guys, I'm so excited to test it right now with you. Does it actually work? So we will open again our Microsoft Reward, and we will see will we actually receive it. Guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our Microsoft Rewards points as we ordered for absolutely free. Nice. So we'll click on redeem, guys. So nice. As you can see, we got our Roblox digital code. We can redeem it, and we can redeem everything from this redeem page, guys. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So yeah, if you do, make sure to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and don't miss any new video about these tutorials. Thank you so much once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.